We apply dynamic programming to solve optimization problems where the problem typically have many possible solutions. So if you have problem P1, it may have multiple solutions S1, S2, S3, and so on. And we apply dynamic programming to solve such problems, such optimization problems. Usually, each solution has a value associated with it, and we either wish to find a maximum value or a minimum value. For the rod cutting problem, we may be looking for a maximum value because we're looking for a maximum revenue. When we are looking at a shortest distance, we may be looking for a minimum value because we are looking for a path with minimum distance and so on. So when we say solution, we are interested to find a solution with either a minimum value or a maximum value. We also say that such a solution is an optimal solution and not the optimal solution. The reason why we say so is that for a problem P1, there may be multiple solutions, say S1 and S2, that have the same optimal value. So for that reason, we say that S1 or S2 are n optimal solutions, not the optimal solution. Now, also something that's slightly confusing is that the word programming in dynamic programming does not refer to the computer code that we write. Instead, it refers to a tabular method where we maintain already solved solutions. So it's like a solution table where we have for a problem P1, which can be broken down into many sub-problems. PA, you have a small solution SA, PB, small solution SB, and so on. So this tabular way of maintaining solutions is programming here. Now, dynamic programming is applicable only when subproblems have further subproblems. A good example is subproblem 3 for the rod cutting problem. As you can see, rod cutting problem R4 for a rod of length 4 can be broken down into R3, R2, R1, and R0, and so on. So in this case, you can see that in order to solve R3, we again need to solve R2, which in fact, if we already had solved it here, we could use this solution here to replace this entire calculation. So if we somehow maintained a table where we said, let's say for R2, this is the optimal solution, then this table can be looked up or used to do calculations for future rod lengths.